How to disable double-click to install on iPhone App Store. Let's fix it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Look for Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on it. From the menu, tap on App Installations and Purchases. Find and select the Require Password section, then tap on Always Require. Enter your screen time passcode if you have one when prompted. Go back to the main settings page. Tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your phone's passcode. Toggle off the switch for iTunes and App Store using Face ID. Return to your home screen. Open the App Store. Search for any app you want to install. Tap on the Get option to install the app. It will now ask for your Apple ID password instead of double-clicking. Enter your password and tap Sign In. Tap Install to confirm. And that's it. Subscribe for more helpful tricks.